someone with your own ability or status, or an inferior without any good qualities, might, despite being treated politely and considerately by you, criticize you contemptuously out of pure conceit and arrogance, and try to humiliate you in various ways. When such things happen, do not be angry or upset or feel badly treated. Instead, see and respect such people as kind teachers, showing you the path to liberation. Pray that you may be able to do them as much good as possible. Whatever happens, do not wish for a moment to take your revenge. The capacity to patiently bear scorn and injury from those who lack your education, strength, and skill is particularly admirable. To remain humble while patiently bearing insults is a very effective way of countering your ingrained tendency to be interested only in your own happiness and pleasure. Never be proud, but instead take the most humble position and regard everyone as being above you, as though you were carrying them on your head.